Hello everyone. It is an honor to be the recipient of Outrun the Sun. I am Peng, a postdoctoral fellow in the Center for Immunotherapy and Precision Immuno-Oncology at the Cleveland Clinic, Ohio. I graduated with first-class honors for my bachelor's in industrial chemistry and went on to earn a Master's of Science in Bioengineering and a PhD in clinical oncology. After my first postdoctoral training program at the Karolinska Institute in Stockholm, Sweden, I joined Dr. Brian Gassman's laboratory at the end of 2018. My research focuses mainly on oncology, with a specific interest in the discovery of predictive biomarkers for immunotherapy resistance. As known, melanoma is one of the deadliest skin cancers. Despite the massive improvements in melanoma survival, it is disheartening that half of these patients still fail to benefit from immunotherapy, necessitating an early and prompt prediction for treatment outcomes. The fact that the incidence of melanoma continues to increase, eclipsing 100,000 cases per year in the United States in 2020, make it even more pressing to unravel immunotherapy resistance in melanoma. The question is, how do we overcome this problem? Leveraging on our large volume tumor specimens from surgical resections, we are able to investigate the heterogeneity and complexity of the interaction between the tumor and the host immune system. This approach should better allow us to identify melanoma immunotherapy resistance, helping to tailor the best possible treatment modality for patients. To understand the heterogeneity of CD8 T cells, a subset of immune cells that are critical in immunotherapy effectiveness, we perform single-cell RNA sequencing analysis on matching immune cells from tumor and blood of melanoma patients. We discover a distinctive subset of dysfunctional CD8 T cells that are not only highly heterogeneous, but also metabolically active. Most importantly, this key finding leads us to identify a unique gene expression profile predicting for immunotherapy responses in both the tumor and peripheral blood. It is known that one of the major challenges in patient care management is the ability to administer the right treatment modalities with sustainable outcomes. To do so, we need reliable predictive biomarkers and tools to correctly predict for immunotherapy response, which remain a pressing challenge in the field. Although research can provide a broad understanding of how to treat each patient, ultimately, the clinician determines which regimen is ideal for individual based on the patient's own therapy responses. Therefore, it is vital to overcome the issue of predicting therapy responses in faster and more effective ways by using minimally invasive approaches. However, to date, cost-effective and reliable predictive biomarker platforms for immunotherapy response are still largely underdeveloped. Despite excessive efforts to solve this hurdle using various different technologies, there is no standard correlative assay used for immunotherapy in the treatment of melanoma. In an attempt to overcome this challenge, our group will examine our newly discovered fingerprint of CD8 T cells predicting for immunotherapy resistance in melanoma patients. We aim to develop a less invasive blood-based predictive tool by integrating two different techniques, the flow cytometry and RNA hybridization. The development of minimally invasive blood-based predictive tools will greatly enhance the immunotherapy response prediction rate. Our long-range objective is to utilize these blood-based predictive tools to improve prediction and treatment decision-making for melanoma patients, and ultimately in any cancer patient receiving immunotherapy. We believe our work holds great promise for precision and personalized immunotherapy by maximizing benefits and improving patient care management. Hence, the support from Outrun the Sun not only has a very important impact on my current research, but it holds great potential in improving melanoma patient care. I am truly indebted and grateful for the support and wanted to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to Outrun the Sun for believing in our research project. Thank you very much.